In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lightroom's vibrance and saturation controls, and I'm going to show you the difference. So I'm here in the Develop module in the Basic panel. Down here under Presence, you see Vibrance and Saturation. Now let's start with Vibrance. If I move the Vibrance slider to the right, I'm going to increase the saturation in the primary colors, in this case the red and the blue and the green. But I'm holding in the more neutral colors, the skin tones are holding. There's not an increase in saturation there. If I move my slider to the left, I'm going to desaturate in the same way. So the saturation slider, on the other hand, watch what happens when I move this to the right. I get the increase in saturation in the reds, the blue, and the green, but look what's happening to the skin tones. That's not pleasant, and I really avoid using the saturation slider when I have people in a photograph that I want to add some added saturation. So vibrance is when you have people in the picture. Saturation, here's another picture to give you an example how saturation would be just fine. It's globally increasing saturation all the way across the range of colors, and in this case it's fine. Okay, so I've been showing you how to use these controls in the Develop module. Let's go over to the Library module, and you can see that over here under the Quick Developer panel, down here we have Vibrance, and you may be wondering where saturation is. Saturation will show up if you hold down the Option or Alt key. So you can apply Vibrance or saturation here from the Quick Develop panel in the Library module. Both vibrance and saturation are really useful. I would suggest using vibrance when you want to maintain the skin tones, when you have people in the picture, and use saturation for other times.